In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send newsletters with Flodesk in 2025. This process, which we'll walk through together, will help you effectively reach your audience with engaging content. Let's get started by going to www.flodesk.com. Here you'll need to either sign up for an account if you haven't already, or simply log in. This is your gateway to designing stunning newsletters. Once you're in, the first thing we need to do is create a new email. To start, click on the emails option in the menu and then select create new email. This prompts you to choose between several beautifully designed templates or starting completely from scratch. Templates can be a great time saver, especially if you're new to design or want a fresh perspective, but starting from scratch allows for a personalized touch. Pick whichever option suits your needs best. Now we move on to designing your newsletter, which can be a really fun part. Flodesk has a very intuitive drag and drop editor that lets you effortlessly add content like text, images, and buttons. Dragging and dropping different elements into place is quite straightforward, so feel free to experiment. Remember, this newsletter represents your brand. Customizing the layout and style to match your branding is crucial to maintaining consistency and making a memorable impression on your readers. Now let's talk about setting your email's subject line. A catchy subject line not only grabs attention, but also determines whether your email gets opened. Spend some time drafting a subject line that is engaging yet concise. This little snippet is essential to pique curiosity and encourage your audience to click. Next, it's time to choose your audience. Within Flodesk, you can either select a specific segment of your existing contacts, or even create a new segment to better target your communications. Targeting enables your message to reach the most relevant audience, thereby increasing engagement and response rates. On to scheduling your newsletter. This is where you have flexibility over timing. Decide whether you'd like to send your newsletter immediately or plan it to launch at a later date. Scheduling in advance can be particularly handy for keeping your communications consistent, even if you're busy with other tasks down the road. Before hitting that all-important send button, ensure everything looks the way you envisioned by sending a test email to yourself. This way you can check for any mismatches or mistakes and make any necessary adjustments. When all looks good and you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time for the final step. Hitting send or setting it on your desired schedule will lead your newsletter to land directly in your subscribers' inboxes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create professional and engaging newsletters with Flodesk that will captivate your audience and strengthen your brand communication. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.